I'm going to show you the camera mount that I put on where my lathe, the shelf is, and then I'll show you, after that I'll show you how I have it mounted, because right now I have it mounted on the wall, and I'll show you. So stay tuned, I'll show you. This is my little, I made the little shelf here for my lathe. Well, this is what I did. I put this little piece in for my tripod thing here, and this is the camera holder. That right there's a sandblasting box that's buried behind a bunch of shit. I gotta get that fixed soon. But if you wait a second, I'll show you how I'm gonna set this thing up, just to give you a sample. This, folks, is the view of my little camera mount I bought. I can basically now turn it any old damn way top here, so I can get a pretty good view. I don't know. Let me put this out here more, raise it up a little, like so. Yeah, it's got a weird thing. Tighten it up here. Okay, that's one arm that's tightened. You're seeing a bunch of junk. I know. I'll aim this down a little here. And we go like this. The arm goes out. Tighten this up. Yep, you're watching me do this. This up here, and then I get a pretty decent, you can get a pretty decent view of what I'm doing. Yeah, this here. So I can not only go like that, I can go like this, and you can look at my fat head. The good part about this setup is I put a quick disconnect and I can move it around. And since I have two of these quick disconnects, I can connect it, one in here. So if you're watching and have one of those fancy ulanzi camera mounts, you buy a little ulanzi adapter, you can just click them on, put them on your tripods, and just do it. So yeah, and if I get bored, or you get bored, I can show you what I'm doing down here again. See, it's pretty much an overhead view. I don't think there's any need to get any closer, but I'm going to attempt to machine something in a little while, or I might just go home and go to bed. But yeah, it's enough crap for one day, I think. So yeah, hope you enjoyed this video. It's not the greatest setup. I also have to fix this ridiculous thing. I have a feeling it's the little, this is the on, this is the off, so I have to get it just right so it click. The peanut screw here. Actually, I don't know if you can see what the hell I just did, but I'll show you. Oops. If you watch this, edit that out. Alright, let's see. Alright, let me stop this here.